from Balloon Utopia and Market with Balloons, and today I'm going to show you how to make a candy centerpiece. This is so fun, and here we're crossing into the realm of other materials beyond balloons. We're actually using a glass vase, a big tall glass vase thing. I don't actually know what these are called. I bet you there's a name for it. I just call it a big glass tube vase thing. So there you go. All right. And what we're doing is we're going to take our colorful 5-inchers and we're just going to put a puff in it. Whatever size your glass vase is, you just want to kind of measure it and make sure that it just fits right in. And basically, you're just going to tie it off, just like so. Cut off the nozzle and drop it in. There she goes. All right. So that's it. We're just gonna rinse and repeat. We're just gonna keep doing that till the thing is full. It's just like the centerpieces that. Oh my God, it scares me to use glass. I'm used to using more less fragile materials. Anyway, so it's just like the centerpieces. Sometimes you see it with oranges or things like that, but here you can get a really cool candy effect. It kind of looks like those. Oh, what are those little? They're not M&Ms, but they're chalk sixlets, kind of like a 6-slit pack or something like that. So we're just going to keep on filling that. I'll put this down so you can see better. There's my book. Head over to Amazon, check that out. You just fill it up until it's full, and you see it kind of just looks like a packet of 6-slits or something. Or if you wanted to, you could also kind of take a lollipop and stuff it in there, or even just kind of glue it using some glue dots to give it a little bit of a different texture. I mean, there's really, you can do anything. You can take the long skinny ones and put pieces of it in there. It's a really simple and inexpensive and effective type of centerpiece to go with your candy theme. So there you go. And if you like this, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you click the like on the video. Make sure that you tell all your friends to subscribe, that you go over to Amazon and you buy my books, and then of course also drop me a comment and let me know what else do you want to learn. I'm making a video every single week. That's 52 videos a year. They come out every Saturday or sometimes Friday, and I want to know, what do you want to learn? So until next time, go forth and balloonify!